So as more and more people are using video content to market their businesses, then more and more people are using platforms like YouTube to publish that content. But there are a number of really common mistakes which I see as people get onto the platform. So I've put together a list of the top 3 really common mistakes that I see used across YouTube. Let's have a look at them now. Okay, number 1, the wrong title. YouTube is a search engine. It searches for keywords, which means that it has search intent built into it, and you have to optimize your video for something that people are searching for. I've seen so many YouTube videos that start off with vlog number 1 at the top, or business name part 1, or some other thing, or the date or something like that. Nobody is searching for those terms. And if your video does come up in a search result, nobody's going to click on it unless they can see exactly what it is and specifically what problem it's solving. So if you can't think of a title that's less than 10 words long and really specific, it's quite possible that your video is too general and it's not really addressing a specific topic. If that's the case, you can chop it up into smaller chunks, you can reorganize the content, you can remove some out of it, focus it down into a single idea, and then go into some depth on that idea so that it's useful to the person who searched for it. Number 2 is no thumbnail. Now, you'd think that a simple thing like a thumbnail, a quick picture at the front of the video, isn't going to be that important, but it's completely the opposite. For the same reasons that we've already spoken about, when somebody is looking for the result or looking for the thing that they search for in YouTube, they have a number of different options listed to them in the page. A clear, easy to read thumbnail with a photograph and some text explaining what it is, a maximum of 5 to 10 words, is going to help your video be clicked on. And then when someone clicks on your video, they're engaged with your content, they're more likely to subscribe to your channel, to visit your website, and all those other things that you're looking for. You can make really quick, easy thumbnails in a program called Canva. Just type the name of the video over the top of the presets in really big, bold, colorful letters. Get a photograph of yourself or something relevant into there as well, and upload that when you upload your video to YouTube. And number 3 is the wrong content. Now, what do I mean by the wrong content? Well, YouTube is a place for people to search, to explore, to learn, that kind of thing. People aren't really going there to watch adverts. Unless you're Coca-Cola and you've released your new Christmas advert or something, people aren't really going there to watch promotional content, explainers, that kind of thing. So if you're expecting traffic for that kind of content, you're probably thinking about YouTube in the wrong sort of way. There are better channels to publish your promotional content on if you're going to embed them on your website. So think about the type of video you're making. Does it want to be in a social media campaign on Facebook, or does it belong on YouTube where people are going to search for it and actually benefit from it in some way? So those are the top 3 mistakes that I see people making when they first approach YouTube and start to use it to create content for their business. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where there's loads more advice about how to create video content, how to market social video, that kind of stuff, and also a free course that we're publishing on that's going to help you create video content for your business. That's all for now. My name's Dave Kilkelly. I'll see you next time.